right here, right here, right here. Wait a minute. No. You have to drink the same juice at the same time. Exactly. Put that one in front of you, Danny. On your mark. Get set. Go.
Oh shit!
My mom. No.
Don't underestimate my ability, nigga.
All I know is Danny Gump them jacks.
I gotta throw up. King, that apple is so nasty.
For real?
Listen, and I'm the ones I wanted. I wanted the apples. You okay? My right. It's in there if you want it.
What's wrong? What happened?
I got a brain freeze.
That was the point of putting it in the freezer. That was fun. Danny, you crazy. So, Cam.
Yeah, go ahead. Finish them up, you know.
You got dishes to do, boo. Sorry.
Nothing.
Yes, you are.
You better get in there.
Go ahead, Cam. You got dishes to do. So, knock them on out.
We said D kitchen.
One of those doves.
We said D kitchen.
One of the doves.
Yeah.
If that's going to make you clean up, go ahead and get one.
See, when you lose, you go back to eating. Even though you stop done eating.
You know what? No, that's just being fat.
You should start bombing on them. Yeah.